As we stand on the brink of a new era, the rise of artificial intelligence is transforming the job landscape like never before. Imagine walking into a store where robots handle checkout, or working alongside intelligent systems that can analyze data in seconds. This is not science fiction. It's our reality today. Automation is replacing jobs that involve repetitive tasks, and industries like manufacturing and customer service are feeling the impact right now. But what does the future hold for us? The influence of AI is expected to intensify, reaching even the more skilled professions. Think about it. Finance, legal work, healthcare, roles once considered secure may soon be overhauled by advanced technologies. It's natural to feel a pang of concern about job security. If your work involves routine or predictable tasks, it might be time to think ahead. Yet rather than viewing AI as a threat, we can see it as a launchpad for new opportunities. As this technology evolves, so will the job market. Industries focused on AI, tech development, and creative fields will flourish, creating new roles that require human insight and creativity. So, who should be concerned? Workers in jobs that can be automated should take this moment to pivot and reskill, embracing lifelong learning as our best ally. And here's a silver lining. Jobs that rely on emotional intelligence, creativity, and complex human interaction are less likely to be replaced. As we look to the future, we have a chance to redefine work itself. In summary, AI may disrupt the job landscape, but it also opens doors to innovation and growth. By adapting to change and harnessing the power of technology, we can thrive in this brave new world of work. If you want to learn more about artificial intelligence and how it will impact your life, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. New content is being developed every day.